Hi, welcome you all to Pebbles. In today's class, we are going to see Max Class 4. The topic is factor. Max Class 4, the topic is factor. Now we are going to see the factors. What is a factor? We must know the definition of factors. Now I am going to explain the definition of factor. Let's see the definition. Factors. Factors are numbers we can multiply to get another. Factors are numbers. So these are numbers. So factors are numbers we can multiply to get another. So for example, I am telling you the example is 18. So 1 into 18 you can get 18. That is what factors are numbers. So these two are numbers. This is also number. So these two are multiplied. Factors are number. We can multiply together and you can get the result that is called as a product. So these two numbers is called as 1 and 18. These two numbers are called as factors. The next definition of factors are the numbers that are multiplied to get a product are called as factors. Numbers that are multiplied to get a product. So these two numbers, 1 into 18, this is a number. These number, that otherwise the number that are multiplied to get a product are called as a factor. So 1 into 18 is a factor. The result of the question, 1 into 18 is a factor. The result is a product. That is 18 is a result. This is the answer. The answer is a product. I think so now you understand. As a product. Okay. So I'll repeat. In today's class we are going to see factors. This is a max class 4 factors. First we have to First we have to see the definition of factors. I am giving the two definition of factors. Factors are numbers we can multiply to get another. So factors is nothing but this is a number. So both numbers are multiplied together and you can get a result. You can get an answer. It is called as a product. So numbers are multiplied. Okay, that is what. Factors is nothing but factors are number that are multiplied together. That is called as a factors. The factors are numbers we can multiply together, multiply to get another. Together is not multiply to get another. So factors are numbers we can multiply to get another. So these are the numbers we can multiply to get another result. It is called as a product. So for example, one more definition is the numbers that are multiplied to get a product are called as a factors. So any number that are multiplied to get a product, that means a result, it is called as a factors. For example, I am giving 2 into 9, these 2 into 9. So 2 is a number and 9 is a one more number. These two numbers are multiplied to get another result. It is the answer. 2 into 9, you can get the answer is 18. So 2 into 9, these two numbers are multiplied to give another result. Otherwise another answer. It is called as a product. So 2 into 9, these two numbers are multiplied. These number are called as factors. 3 into 6. So 3 into 6, these two numbers are multiplied to to get another result, to get another product, to get another answer. It is the 18 is a product and 3 into 6 is a factors, because factors are numbers. These two numbers are multiplied to give another result or another product. That is called as a factors. So these are the definitions of factors. I am clearly explained, I think so. So factors are numbers then that are multiplied. Factors are number we can multiply to get another. The numbers that are multiplied to get a product are called as a factors. So factors, what are factors or what is factors? Factors are number we can multiply to get another result or another answer. It is called as a product. So factors is nothing but factors is a numbers. So both numbers are multiplied to get a result. That is called as a product. The numbers are going to multiply. It is a factors. Example, I tell you 1 into 18 is equal to 18. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Excuse me. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. For example, 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So these two are factors and this 12 is a product. Okay, this is a product. Okay, next 1 that is now we are going to see that is 1 into 18 is equal to 18, 2 into, because example I have taken 18, so 1 into 18 is equal to 18, 2 into 9 is equal to 18, 3 into 6 is equal to 18. So we have to see the numbers 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So these number 1 into, that is 1 into 18, that is what I have written, 1 comma 18, 2 into 18, that is 2 comma 19. 3 into 6 is 3 and 6 or 3 comma 6 or the numbers we multiply to get 18. It's a product. Okay, this 18 is a product. So factors of 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 8 and what? And 18 and also 18. So 1, 18 and 2, 9, 3 and 6. That is what I have written in the proper order. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. These are the factors of 18. Included 18 and 1. 1 is a common factor for all the numbers. So 18 is a number itself. The 18, the same number also as a factor. Okay, we are going to find out the factor of 18. So the factor of 18, the result is 18 also, because factor of 18 means 1, 2, 3, 6 and 6, 9 and 18, because the number itself as a what, the same number as a factor. You will consider the same number also a factor. So one of the factor of the 18. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. This is the explanation for the factors. So now we are going to see the properties of factors. So 1 is the factor of every number. So first property, 1 is a factor of every number. So whatever the number you are going to take, for example 16, 1 into 16. For example 14, 1 into 14. For example 15, 1 into 15. For example 10, 1 into 10. For example 5, 1 into 5. So 1 is the factor of every number, and every number is the greatest factor of itself. Okay, so we have for example I am telling you what is the factor of 15 means 15. What are the possibilities, what are the multiplication table, that you have to consider the multiplication table. So what are the multiplication tables? It goes, for example 1 into 15 you can get 15, then after that 3 into 5 you can get 15. So these are the numbers. So 1, 3, 5 and 15, these are the factors of 15. These are the factors of 15. So 1 into 15 you can get 15. So 2 is not a factor of 15 because you don't have multiplication table. 15 is not comes under in second table, 2 table. So 3 into 5 you can get 15. So it comes under in 3 table as well as 5th table and 1 table and 15 table. So 1 and 3, 5 and 15, these are the factors of 15. Okay, and so you must consider that in that particular place 1 comma 3 commas. For example 15, I will tell you, example is 15. For example 15 means what are you going to do? So 1 into 15 you can get 15. So next is 3 into 5 you can get 15. So 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So 1, 3, 5 and 15. These are the factors. So factors of 15 is equal to 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma and what, 15. This is the factors. So this number is the greatest number. So this is a what, the same number itself as a factor. That is what given in the property. So every number is the greatest factor of itself. So whatever the number is given, that number is the greatest number, and also this is the greatest factor of the itself. So next one, the factors of a number are equal to or less than the number. That means the factors of a number are equal to or less than the number. I'll give the proper explanation. Example, every factor of 18 is less than or equal to 18. For example, 18 factors mean you know that 1 is less than 18 and 2 is less than 18, 3 is less than 18, 6 is less than 18, 9 is less than 18. But 18 is equal to 18. So that is what, every factor of 18 is less than or equal to 18. This is the exact meaning of this property. And every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. For example, every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors. So every number has 2 factors. Okay, other than 1 at least 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Every number other than 1, always I told you 1 is a factor of every number. Other than 1, the same number is a factor. That is the meaning of the sentence. That is for giving, that is 1 and the 1 and the number itself. That is 1 and the number itself. Number itself. For example, I have told you very clearly 15 means what is a number? 1 is a factor as well as 15, the same number as a factor. 18 means here look at this number. 1 is a I've told you 1 is a what? 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. So 1 comes, and 18 the same number, that is called as itself. That meaning is itself means same number. Itself mean what? Same. Itself means nothing but same number. Okay, same number, and also this number is the greatest number. Same number, same number. Same number. So 1 and 18, these two number that is called as very important. So what first property? 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number, and 18, that means the factor of 18 means 18 also come. So the same number, that is what they are given. Every number is the greatest factor of itself. Greatest factor of itself means nothing but the same number will also come as a factor. Itself means same number. So compared to these numbers, 18 is the greatest number, that is called as the greatest factor. And third property, I have told you the factors of a number are equal to less than or less than the number. The factors of a number are equal to or less than the number. That is the proper explanation, means every factor of 18 is less than or equal to 18. So look at this number. I have told you 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So 1, 2, 3, 6 and 9, these numbers are less than 18 and 18 is equal to 18. That was a proper explanation. And every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors. So every number at least 2 factors, that is a major concept. Every number has 2 factors, that is very important. Every number has at least 2 factors. That means 2 factors must come. That is the meaning of the property. A property of factors. One is the common factor. That is, 1 is the factor of every number, and then what is the next number? Other and the number itself. That means 1 and, for example, 15 means 1 and 15. 1 is a factor of every number, and 15 means the same number as a factor itself. That is what is given. 1 and 18, 1 into 16, 1 into 14, 1 into 10, 1 into 5, 1 into 2. So these are the example for this particular property. These are the example of particular property. So every number other than 1, they have at least 2 factors. Every number other than 1, at least 2 factors. That means every number has 2 factors. That is the exact meaning of the sentence. One example, 15 I told you, 1 and 15. 18 means 1 and 18. So 1 is a factor for every number. Wherever it comes, wherever the number you have taken, 1 is a factor for every number. It must come always. Another one is the same number. What are the number you have taken? That is, for example, 15 or 18 or 21 or 23 or 2 or 5, whatever the number you have taken, that number itself is a factor. That is the meaning of the property.